I've always had a passion and an interest for urban agriculture and just farming and gardening, mainly because that's something that we did growing up. I wasn't aware that basically my grandmother grew vegetables and herbs as a way to supplement like what we couldn't afford. But if you could teach people that they could take some of their food scraps, you can compost that and then use that to grow nutritious food, I think that's really empowering because you can't just put a grocery store on every corner. I have two masters from UMBC. The first is in biotechnology, and then the second one is in entrepreneurship. As I went through the program, I'm like, let this thing that I'm passionate about be my capstone project. We have an urban garden on campus. We've gotten a $10,000 grant, and we were able to purchase like compost bins and all the materials that we needed to like build the infrastructure of the garden to help teach community composting and build that relationship with the surrounding community. And it was just like real life learning experience. It really opens your mind. And I think it gives you a bigger picture that things can happen way beyond just of what you thought. It's pretty amazing.